Hey guys, Sam here. I just oh, what does that say? I just set up my old computer. It doesn't have a hard drive in it at the moment, but we're gonna see what happens if you take out the fucking random access memory while it is on. Okay, careful, careful. Oh, that's pretty. That's not good, but it's pretty. Right. I wonder if I could just get the other one now. It's half out. I just don't want to electrocute myself, eh? Oh, so that's what a computer looks like when it has no RAM in it. I just unclick the things, it's out now. That's pretty. I don't think it's really safe, so... Fuck, that was scary.